Hello friends, today we are going to have a maths quiz. Are you ready? Let's begin. Seven times 1 is equal to A7, B9, C6. What is the correct option? 7. 3 times 4 is equal to A4, B12, C5. What is the correct answer? B12. 2 times 9 is equal to A7, B16, C18. The answer is C18. 5 times 1 is equal to A5, B15, C30. The answer is A5. Very good. 2 times 6 is equal to A14, B18, C12. The answer is C12. 3 times 5 is equal to A23, B15 or C14. The answer is B15. 3 times 2 is equal to A6, B15, C32. The answer is A6. 2 times 5 is equal to A8, B10, C11. The answer is B10. 3 times 7 is equal to A32, B10, C21. The answer is C21. 2 times 1 is equal to A8, B2, C30. The answer is B2. 3 times 3 is equal to A3, B6 or C9? The answer is C9. 8 times 2 is equal to A4, B16, C12. The answer is B16. 5 times 3 is equal to A7, B16, C15. The answer is C15. 4 times 8 is equal to A32, B14, C27. The answer is A32. 3 times 6 is equal to A30, B18 or C20. The answer is B18. Good job. Well done, kids. You did a great job. You can download free printables at my website www.downloadableworksheet.com. So you can go there and download free printables of your choice. You can also like, subscribe and share my video. Do comment if you want to watch the video on another channel. So I'll create the video on that topic. This is your teacher signing off. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.